Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to name and pin group chats in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful for keeping your most important conversations easily accessible and organized, especially when you're managing multiple team discussions throughout the day. Let's dive in and get your Teams workspace better organized. First, navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Chat. This will bring up all your recent conversations and group chats in one place, making it easy to see everything you're currently working on. Now, locate the specific group chat that you want to name. Scroll through your chat list until you find it, then click on it to open the conversation. This brings the chat into focus and allows you to access all the customization options available for that particular group. Next, look at the top of the chat window where you'll see your group members' names displayed. Right next to these names, you'll notice a small pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon. This is your gateway to editing the group chat details and giving it a meaningful name that everyone in the group will see. A text field will appear where you can input your desired group name. Type in whatever name makes sense for your team, whether it's a project name, department, or any identifier that helps you quickly recognize this chat. Once you've entered the name, click Save. The new name will now appear for all members of the group chat, making it much easier for everyone to identify and locate this conversation quickly. Now, if you want to take organization a step further and pin this group chat for even faster access, here's what you do. Simply right-click on your group chat in the chat list on the left side. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click Pin. This action moves your group chat to the top of your chat list, ensuring it stays visible and accessible no matter how many new conversations come in. Pinned chats remain at the top, so you'll never have to scroll through a long list to find your most important discussions. And there you have it. You've successfully named your group chat and pinned it for easy access. Your Microsoft Teams workspace is now more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.